Back with another banger, guys. What's going on? What is up? Getting ready to go to work soon, guys. Figured I'd pop on a little bit of a workout earlier. Came home, I had a look at the JASMY chart, and JASMY did exactly what we said it would do over the last couple of days. Broke to the upside, smashed through the 200-day SMA, smashed through resistance at 2 cents 3. However, can it hold resistance? Can it hold and close a candle above resistance at 2 cents 3? That is going to be crucial. That's about 3 hours and 40 minutes away, if that can happen. We may ping pong between the 30-day SMA and the 200-day SMA. We'll have to stay on top of it, but it's looking juicy so far, guys. We called it, right? The RSI is looking neutral right now, 51.81, so there is still more room to go to the upside. However, I would voice a word of caution, as I always do, that, guys, there is not really enough volume to sustain this. Only 87.87 million. We need that to at least double if we want to see continuation to the upside here, okay? So don't get too excited, but we are up 19.2% on the week. Very nice. Bitcoin's holding 63.6. Another crucial thing is, can Bitcoin close above 63.6? Can it really at 62, right? Can Bitcoin close above 62? That would be ideal, but we'll have to see, right? We'll have to see what happens. We'll see if the bears start to try to push things back down closer to the daily close. But let's get into the chat, see what's going on. As always, guys, make sure you're hitting the like and subscribe. We got to push that content out to the masses. Big Kev's in the house. What's up, man? Hey, Rob Father, loving this bounce back RDK endorsement, and DNC party is corrupt. Today rocks. Absolutely, brother. Also, guys, jump over to the Patreon. We got all kinds of perks over there now, guys. The live chat's constantly going. We're doing crypto giveaways over there. We're doing swing trade opportunities videos over there. We're doing technical analysis training videos over there. We're doing one-on-one coaching sessions over there. Guys, it is blowing up like crazy over on the Patreon. Funky, what's up, man? Pumping up with all these new taxes rolling out. Freaking Harris proposed 45% capital gains tax, as well as the unrealized gain tax. Trump 2024, yes. Exactly. I don't know how you plan on, apparently she's saying that 45% capital gains tax is only going to be on the rich. Here's my thing, guys. Anyone who believes a politician that says, I'm going to go after the rich. Guys, the politicians are the rich. What the hell are you talking about? You're the rich, and you're going to go after the rich? I don't think so, right? It's all theater. It's all theater. William's in the house. What's up, man? Funky Monkey. What's up, man? Brian, I love it. Funky. Yes, absolutely. Brian's in the house. What's up, Rob Father? Let's hear the alpha. I got the fries that'll cross your eyes, brother. Hey, Rob, I know people ask these questions a million times. I just want to ask, in the most bearish outcome. Yes, the most bearish outcome for me personally, in my own opinion, the most bearish outcome for XCN would be about 5 cents. Funky Pop-Tart Eater renews his membership. Thank you so much for the support, brother. You are the man, the legend, the myth. Love you, brother. Absolutely love you. Funky says, I don't like Trump, but I support him for office 1,000%. I'm not for more taxes, especially 45%. Yes, exactly. Chris, hey, Rob. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Funky, if we hold 0.2026, that is a signal for me looking at the weekly. Yes. But we're not at 2.6 yet. So, what's up, Dumb Money? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. SC's in the house. JASMY is fired. long-term hold. Absolutely, man. David's in the house. What's up, brother? Americans versus the Democrats. You're not wrong, man. You are not wrong, brother. Jeremiah, hey, Rob. Next stop for JASMY. Well, I was just looking at the chart a second ago. Like I said, let's have a look here again at the chart. Well, it depends. We're going to have to watch this daily close right here, man. If we can close above resistance, which we can flip into support if we can close above, then we may see continuation to the upside, maybe around 2 cents 5 could be next. But got to close this daily candle first. First things first, right? I'll pop a freeze all the honeys. Pop-Tart Eater, 6.18K, 18K subs. When did that happen? Yeah, no kidding, man. The family has definitely been growing. We're trying to fight our way up to 10K subs, guys. So if you are watching and you are not subscribed, do us a favor, join our family. We'd love to have you by clicking that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to do that. And yeah, it would be great if you would. It'd be super fantastic. Do it now. All right, so what do we have going on? Just so you know, too, guys, I'm recording. There was an AMA done by Binance earlier today on KASPA. It's about an hour long, breaking down KASPA. Very bullish that Binance is doing this, considering we're hoping for a spot listing on Binance for KASPA. I will be releasing the video, pre-recorded video of that AMA later, either later today or tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that if you love KASPA. All right, let's see what else is going on. Boom. Custom Crypto, what's up, man? Crypto Future legend. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. What do we got? Hara, check this out, guys. Hara joins Blockchain Life 2024 in Dubai in October. They say meet Hara, the CFO of JASMY, CEO of Junction, and 10,000 plus attendees on October 22nd and 23rd. The AI-powered translation of speeches to 70 languages is included in the ticket. So Hara, guest note speaker, guys, at yet another event, this time in Dubai. This is Hara's first time in Dubai. This man has been traveling this year like a maniac. Denver, Dubai, South Korea, Vietnam, the list goes on and on. He has been everywhere promoting Junction and JASMY. You got to give the man credit. Absolutely, man. Absolutely bullish. Working his ass off. What else do we got? Check this out, guys. The list of bullish momentum altcoins right here. Boom. JASMY, 100x potential in this bull run. You love to see it, guys. You love to see it. What else is going on out there? Watcher Guru says Russia to launch 2 crypto exchanges and stable coins linked to the yuan and BRICS currency. Very, very interesting stuff, guys. We'll have to follow that to see how it develops. Could be bullish, could be bearish. Who knows, right? We'll have to see. And I'm sure most of you guys know by now, but RFK has officially endorsed Trump. So the 2 bullish candidates on crypto are joining forces. You love to see that, guys. You love to see it. Great for the asset class. Big Kev says, I feel like JASMY's being suppressed, really undervalued. 100%. A lot of altcoins are undervalued right now, to be honest with you. The entire Web3 gaming space is massively undervalued. We got some more bearish news from the SEC. Gary just can't seem to read a room, apparently. Cryptocurrency exchange Kraken sued by the SEC. According to breaking information reported by Bloomberg, cryptocurrency exchange Kraken will face an SEC lawsuit due to its failure to register as a cryptocurrency exchange. Cryptocurrency exchange Kraken has been allowed to settle a lawsuit filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange, the SEC, which accuses the platform of operating as an unregistered securities exchange. What the f is Gary doing? How many cases has he lost now saying this? I've told you guys this before. right? Gary's not trying to win these cases. Gary's goal is not to win these court cases. Gary's primary directive is to delay the crypto market as long as humanly possible. There's no way that this man is stupid enough to think he can win this case. He's been losing every case that he throws at the wall when it comes to this stuff. Yet he's going to try again, right? Guys, he doesn't give a crap if he wins. His goal is to delay this as long as possible so your JP Morgans can catch up to the crypto space, guys, right? That's the plan here. He doesn't care if he wins or loses. You think he cares whether he's absolutely destroying and eroding the reputation and credibility of the SEC? No, he's trying to get the Treasury job. He doesn't care. Once he's out of the SEC, what the hell does he care what the reputation is after that, right? That's his goal here. He doesn't give a crap. This guy is so anti-American, it's not even funny. And I'm not even American. I'm Canadian, for crying out loud, and I can tell you that. I am more of a patriot of the U.S. than Gary Gensler is, and I'm not even a U.S. citizen. Put it that way, right? Quote, the SEC has plausibly alleged that at least some of the cryptocurrency transactions conducted on the Kraken's network constituted investment contracts and therefore securities, and are accordingly subject to the securities laws. Judge Orrick wrote in an opinion issued Friday in San Francisco's federal court. Kraken had sought to dismiss the lawsuit, which was first filed by the SEC in November, but the judge's decision to keep the regulatory challenge alive. The decision follows reports from Bloomberg's News in June that Kraken, one of the oldest and most established cryptocurrency exchanges, was explored a final round of financing ahead. So basically, guys, Gary's going to get his ass kicked again at the end of the day. He's going to delay this law. He's going to drag this lawsuit out. And the funny thing about this is, this got announced today, and the market pumped today. That's how little people give a crap what Gary Gensler's doing anymore in the SEC. Gary files a lawsuit, or this negative decision comes out against, in favor of the SEC, and no one gave a crap because everyone knows. I shouldn't even say in favor of the SEC, because all the judge ruled was that the case will be allowed to move forward. That's all that he ruled, right? Which is fine. The exact same thing happened in the Binance case. Binance filed to dismiss the case, and the exact same thing happened. Guys, you have to understand, in those circumstances, it is extremely rare that a judge will throw a case out like that those motions to dismiss are approved, right? They're very rarely approved. Usually judges will let these cases play out. Gary is still going to get his butt whipped again, right? The guy can't read a room at all. He cannot read a room. This is why we need Trump to win. Hands down. This is why we need Trump to win. Because, like, this guy, Gary Gensler, I don't just want him fired. I want Trump to file as many charges and lawsuits against Gary Gensler as humanly possible. Lock this man in prison. He has cost millions of people billions of dollars. I don't know how he goes home at night, sits at his dinner table, and looks his wife and daughters in the eye. I don't know how. As a man, I couldn't respect myself. You have devastated millions of families in your own country. Shame on you, man. Shame on you. What else do we got going on? Are the crypto whales feeding? Roblox, JASMY, and Celesta see large volume increases. So JASMY coin and Celesta are going through a major price fluctuations, but rollback is standing its ground, having raised 2.25. I don't care about rollbacks. Let's talk about JASMY. So JASMY enters overbought territory. No, it's not. It's neutral still, but I digress. JASMY has been in the red zone throughout August, and after a 31.47% monthly loss for now, JASMY is trading at 1.92 cents. What the hell? No, it's not. This article was released today, and the numbers are way off. Way off. Anyway, we'll keep going. Prices, maybe it was in 1.992 at the time. this morning. After a minor intraday dip of 0.75%, however, with JASMY's 24-hour trading volume at 15.26%, investors might be holding their tokens in hopes for future gains. According to the JASMY USD daily chart, JASMY is trading below the 50, 100, and 200 day. You know what? We're going to test that right now. No, we're above the 200 day. Now we're above the 200 day. So this was before the breakout this morning. So anyway, that's incorrect. That is incorrect. What else do we got? Well, it's not incorrect. It's this morning's news. Bitcoin ETFs saw net inflows in 10 of the last 12 days, guys. Money is moving in, even though it may not feel like it. Look at this. This is priceless, guys. NBC has had enough of Elizabeth Warren. Check this out.
And that is a time that's sophistry. Your example on craft. Your example on craft is even worse.
You finished first. In any of the states around the country that already have price gouging laws in place.
Can I tell you why that those are fallacious and misleading at best? And the craft, your craft analogy is even. Why can't I tell you? Please let me tell you. Craft, you say, was 440% profit increase. The example you used, the prior quarter from the year before, they had a charge of $1.3 billion, an accounting change which wiped out profits. Then they earned what they normally. Let me finish now. They earned.
You didn't let me finish. Look at the data. Come on. We have economic study now after economic study.
This is the way it always goes.
When there is more concentration,
40 million eggs were destroyed because of avian flu.
When there is more concentration in an industry, we have seen much greater increases in.
Do you attribute the inflation? Margins. That's what you think we need to do to solve it?
They're not random. They are not random one-offs. It is part of the problem when you've got companies that are gouging consumers on prices. Consumers need to know they've got somebody on their side.
Senator,
and
listen, we're trying to help. We're trying to actually do.
Where are you in the 37 states that currently have price gouging laws?
Just quickly on that point, Senator Warren, can you just tell here? Can I just clarify how this would work?
This is the way you never lose an argument because no one can ever say anything back to you, Senator.
The state price gouging laws take
calls her on her BS. She's inflating numbers and not giving. She's giving manipulated numbers, and he calls her on it on national television, and she didn't like it. That's awesome. That is absolutely epic, man. I love it. Screw Elizabeth Warren. Right in the face. Let's have a look at the DXY, guys, as we always do about this time. Boom. Look at that. Blood in the streets, guys. We've been calling this drop. How long have I been calling this drop, guys? Remember, we were way up here. Remember that? We were way up here, and I said, I put this out there like a couple of months ago. Support level, we held support, we bounced. You guys remember, if you've been here, we've been calling this whole time. I said we had the double top pattern going, right? And we were going to collapse here to the downside, down to 101, and we have done that perfectly dropped down to 101. This played out beautifully. You'll love seeing that, guys. You'll love to see that. All right, let's go back over to the JASMY chart. Pow, still above resistance. Looks like we're going to kind of fall below here, though, from the looks of it. But all right, let's get back into the chat, see what's going on. David, what's up, brother? Finally caught alive. Hope y'all, we're good, brother. We are good, man. Dumb money Kraken is the exchange my XCN is. Will this become a problem? No, it's not. This isn't a new lawsuit. This lawsuit was launched back in like November of last year. The judge just made a decision not to dismiss the case and allow the case to play out. That's all. Blaz in the house. What's going on? It says dumb money. Telling from my experience, do not keep anything on exchanges. I don't. Custom Crypto says I don't like Trump and Kamala, but I'd rather have Trump to not pay nearly. Yeah. Well, and that's the thing is that, guys, at the end of the day, again, for me personally, listen, I try not to be political, but I'm a one issue subject. One issue is what I care about here, okay? Crypto. This is a crypto channel. The Democrats have been doing nothing but trying to destroy crypto for almost 4 years, right? We can't just forget that and say, oh, we'll trust them. Kamala Harris has not even come out herself and said anything positive about crypto. Why do you think that is? So that she can say later, when she's attacking it again, that she never came out and said anything positive about crypto in the first place, right? So they're just feeding people just enough, like the he said, she said stuff. Oh, Kamala Harris is probably going to be pro crypto. Trust me, bro, right? That's what they're doing right now with nothing from her, nothing concrete. Show me, don't tell me is what I'm saying, right? So at the end of the day, I have to go with the candidate that is going to allow, as a man, me to make life-changing wealth for me and my family. And as a man, in my opinion, you can disagree with me if you want. You're allowed to. But as a man, your first and primary responsibility in your life is your family. Above all, above fighting for someone else's rights, above what you think about abortion, above what you think about, above everything else. As a man, your family is your top responsibility. And if you're going to argue with me about abortion or something like that when we're talking about crypto, I don't give a crap what you're talking about. I'm talking about one issue here. Do I care about that stuff? Of course. But at the same time, I have priorities. My children, my wife are my priority. Number one. As a man, if I don't make that number one, I have failed as a man. That's my opinion on it, right? Because I get people who argue with me about it. Well, what about women's rights to have abortions and stuff like that? Yes, important topic. Not what we're talking about here. Stay on point. We're talking about crypto, right? Period. Full stop. So whichever candidate is going to allow me to make life-changing wealth is a candidate that I'm going with. Sorry, not sorry, right? Also, Rob, sorry for all the trouble I've caused by panicking for AWA and Nets as they are down more than 90%. Still working on it every day. Of course, it will improve. Jackie, didn't realize you were live. Not sure why my yeah, YouTube's been a real pain because of that. They don't send out notifications properly. I don't know why. The U.S. is a joke right now. 100%, man. 100%. X marks the spot. What's up, fam? That's why I have discussions with someone in my head so I can be heard. This administration has been manipulating numbers the whole time. Yeah, we just saw the job numbers come out, and they were like all of a sudden 818,000 jobs just disappeared, right? JJ, what's up, man? Good to see you. Also, thank you for so freaking much for everything. Yesterday was so rough, and you were there to clear things up. Yeah, yesterday was very, very tiring and taxing on me. I will say that, man. Holmes is in the house. What's up, fam? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. We want the crypto run. Yes, yes. Ty, what's up, buddy? Fight, fight, fight. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. We need that life-changing wealth, man. That's what we need. All right, guys. So we're all caught up in the chat. We got through the news efficiently, so I got to start getting ready for work. I will be live streaming from the office again this evening, so make sure you guys are there. And keep an eye on the daily close for JASMY a little bit later. Hopefully we can close above 2 cents 3. Mary, what's up, man? Good to see you. Yeah, Miriam's room. Yeah, I bought. I did some. I sent out some buy alerts earlier today. Hopefully you got them. Sun is hot. Rob and chat. What's up, man? All right, guys. I got to get ready for work. Keep an eye out for my KASPA video coming out either later tonight or tomorrow. I also have some more content I'm uploading today to the Patreon, guys. You don't want to miss that. If you're not in the Patreon, guys, you're missing out on a lot. We got the live stream active in there. We're doing technical analysis training, one-on-one coaching, Zoom calls. We're doing crypto giveaways. We're doing day trading videos for potential, day swing trading and stuff like that. So much stuff going on, guys. The link is down in the description. Get over to the Patreon. You're missing out. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later tonight.